Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect your PS4 controller to Bloodstrike on PC in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, grab your PS4 controller and a micro USB cable. Plug one end into the controller and the other end into your PC. If you want to go wireless, hold the PS and share button together for 3 seconds until the light bar flashes, then pair it via Bluetooth into your PC settings. Next, open Steam, go to the top left, click Steam, then Settings, head to the Controller tab and click General Controller Settings. Check the box for PlayStation configuration support to enable your PS4 controller. Now, launch Bloodstrike from Steam. If it detects your controller, you're good to go. If not, close the game, restart Steam, and make sure your controller is connected before launching again. Quick note, Bloodstrike officially supports Xbox controllers, so if your PS4 controller isn't fully working, download DS4 Windows from its official site. Install it, connect your controller, and it'll trickle into the game, recognizing it as an Xbox controller. Once it's working, head to Bloodstrike settings, tweak your controller layout if needed, and start playing. It should feel smooth and responsive. That's it guys, you're ready to dominate Bloodstrike with your PS4 controller. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Game on.